Butterfly pea flower tea is more than just a beautiful beverage, it's an experience. The first time you see its mesmerizing blue hue and taste its mild, earthy flavor, you're instantly captivated. But there's much more to this enchanting tea than meets the eye. Today, we'll uncover 7 fascinating facts about butterfly pea flower tea that will leave you intrigued and inspired to try it for yourself. The allure of butterfly pea flower tea begins with its appearance. Imagine a cup filled with a deep blue liquid that can magically transform to purple or even pink with just a squeeze of lemon. But what about the taste? Many wonder if it's bitter or overly floral, but its flavor is surprisingly mild and soothing, making it ideal for blending with other ingredients like honey, ginger, or mint. It's not just a drink, it's a canvas for your creativity. Beyond its taste, butterfly pea flower tea offers a multitude of benefits and uses. Its rich antioxidant content makes it a favorite among health enthusiasts, and its versatility in recipes has gained it a place in everything from cocktails to desserts. This tea is also caffeine-free, making it perfect for unwinding at any time of day. Whether you're sipping it to relax or experimenting with its color-changing magic in recipes, butterfly pea flower tea always delivers a unique experience. The key moment of enjoying butterfly pea flower tea is when you add lemon juice and witness its breathtaking transformation. This isn't just a chemical reaction, it's a visual reminder of how a small change can create something extraordinary. This ability to shift not only its color but also its flavor is why this tea continues to charm so many people worldwide. In summary, butterfly pea flower tea is a sensory delight that combines mild, earthy flavors with stunning visual appeal. Its health benefits, versatility, and magical transformation make it a drink like no other. Whether you're a tea lover or just curious to try something new, this is one tea you don't want to miss. If you're as excited as I am about butterfly pea flower tea, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts or your favorite way to enjoy this magical drink. Hit the bell icon so you never miss more amazing content like this. See you next time.